In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to import passwords onto your Chromebook web browser. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all you have to do is open up your Chromebook web browser and select the three-dotted icon up at the top right, and then select Passwords and Autofill, and select Password Manager. Select Settings on the left panel here. And then on the right side where it says Import Passwords, to import passwords to Password Manager on this device, select the CSV file, select the file, and then upload it or locate it from here, and select Open, and that's all you have to do. So pretty straightforward process, guys, and as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.